Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about the Matchbox Super King, the K21 Tractor Transporter with two tractors. This one came out in 1974 and was brought out as a set with the two tractors on top. It also came with a set of ramps that hook up onto the back, but I don't have those. I bought this, of course, off a collector who also didn't know what he did with the ramps, but he kept it in immaculate shape. And so I am trying to keep it in that same stead. Now, as you can see, it comes with two nice tractors, both in amazing shape. The truck itself is of a teal color with a yellow kind of a deck stay for the tractors, and the tractors are of a kind of a purpley pinky color, black plastic tires, but they are very nicely done. Now I'll put the tractors aside and you could see the base of the truck. Shows you K21 Tractor Transporter. The axles are very straight. Quite stayed. And when you put the tractors on top, it looks very nice. Now, whenever I find the ramps, if I ever do, I'll try to make a follow-up video showing you what it looks like with the ramp, so you could load it and unload it. But that is a K21 Tractor Transporter. As in the racing car transporters, the truck cab itself is almost quite similar, but it's also quite different. But yet again, as you can see, the bumper, which is molded with the base plate, isn't bent, isn't scratched. It is in quite tip-top shape. And this is another one of my fairly favorite releases from Matchbox. Well, this is a short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please like and subscribe. And leave a comment if there was something you would like to see, and if I do have it in my collection, I will try to make a video of it. Thank you. Bye-bye.